Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter drivers for this device are not installed 28 error, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is restart the system in the clean boot configuration. This is because the third party services may cause conflicts in the system and cause this error to occur. So we'll look for system configuration, click on it, and then click on services. And the most important thing is we need to check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Once we do that, we will then select the third party services that are not required for the start of this computer. So that would be Adobe, EA background services, Mozilla, McAfee, so forth and so on, Google Updater. And then we will click on disable all, click on apply, click on OK, and then click on restart. And we should not be able to see this error, but if we do, then we need to do two things. We need to disable the antivirus. So for that, we look for virus and threat protection settings, and then we will check for manage settings. Now if you have a third party antivirus and an anti-malware like Norton, Kaspersky or McAfee, then you need to disable the antivirus settings in that third party software. And then if you're using a stock antivirus and anti-malware protection from Windows like me, then you need to click on manage settings, click on switch off real-time protection, and then you need to update the drivers for the trouble causing device. So I'll go to device here, and for example I am facing this problem with my camera. So now that I know which camera it is which is causing a problem, I will right click on it and click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. And then once it is uninstalled, I'll go to action and then click on scan for hardware changes. It should reinstall the driver. Once I do that, it is most important to remember that I need to go back to Windows security and switch on real-time protection, or go back to my third-party antivirus and switch on the protection, because if I don't do that and keep running the system, there is a good chance viruses or malware will enter my system and cause havoc with my system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.